Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix unable to connect to Rockstar game service error code 0x500a0000 and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here navigate to the network and internet. Now go over here, network and internet. And if you're already connected to Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi and try connecting to a LAN cable. That means you're connecting the Wi-Fi directly to your PC or laptop, and you have to check. If that is not the case, if you don't have the way, then you can just switch to the hotspot. Just turn off the Wi-Fi. Then you have to use the mobile hotspot. Turn on the mobile hotspot and connect the mobile hotspot. Now we need to launch the game. Now launch the game. And once you launch the game and you're in the game, you can turn off the mobile hotspot and make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi from there, and you can check. That's what you have to try. Now, after trying with this, still if you're having the trouble, then we just need to use a VPN. So what I'm recommending is always a Proton VPN, because I used Proton VPN a lot. So you can depend on the Proton VPN or you can download it. I'll be providing a link where you can download it. It's absolutely free. Use a Proton VPN and you have to check. Next one is all about you have to launch the Rockstar game launcher and you have to sign in to the Rockstar game launcher. Now from the Rockstar game launcher, once it logged in like this, what you need to do is you have to follow this instruction, which is the Rockstar launcher might take a little bit of time to load up for the first time. So if you're having the issue with unable to connect to the Rockstar game service error code for Red Dead Redemption 2, GTA 5, and if you're having the issue with any other games of the Rockstar game, this is what you have to do. You just need to launch your Rockstar game account launcher. Then once you launch the Rockstar game launcher, make sure that you signed into it. So right now it is connecting. So in my case, I have already signed into the account. So it won't ask me to sign in back once again. So make sure once it update and installing everything is completed for the first time, like if you're launching it for the first time, it might take a little bit of time like this. Now once you get into this, you should be logging in, and logging should not be launching the game from here. Instead, you have to minimize this. Now go to the Steam account. Now from here you have to right click and go to manage, browse local file. Now from the local file, you have to go over here. You can see this is the application of GTA 5. If I'm having the trouble with GTA 5, I have to right click from here, go to run as administrator. Similarly, if I'm having the trouble, I have to minimize the Rockstar game launcher, and even if you're having the trouble with Red Dead Redemption 2, you have to launch it from here. Then you have to check. This is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.